Learn the ABC.
A is for apple. A is for axe. A is for airplane. A is for ant. B is for boy. B is for bird. B is for bear. B is for boat. C is for car. C is for cat. C is for chair. C is for cake. D is for dog. D is for door. D is for duck. D is for diamond. E is for egg. E is for elf. E is for elephant. E is for eye. F is for frog. F is for fork. F is for fire. F is for family. G is for grape. G is for game. G is for girl. G is for goat. H is for house. H is for hand. H is for hat. H is for hammer. I is for ice. I is for iron. I is for igloo. I is for ice cream. J is for jacket. J is for jelly. J is for jellyfish. J is for jam. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for knight. L is for lion. L is for lime. L is for ladybug. L is for leaf. M is for mango. M is for moon. M is for monkey. M is for muffin. N is for nest. N is for noodle. N is for nuts. N is for needle. O is for owl. O is for oven. O is for orange. O is for onion. P is for panda. P is for pie. P is for pear. P is for pen. Q is for queen. Q is for quiz. Q is for quartz. Q is for quiet. R is for ring. R is for rose. R is for rain. R is for rat. S is for sun. S is for snowman. S is for strawberry. S is for snake. T is for tiger. T is for train. T is for teacher. T is for tree. O is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for universe. U is for uniform. V is for vest. V is for vegetable. V is for vase. V is for van.
W is for water. W is for whale. W is for wall. W is for worm. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for Christmas. X is for Xbox. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yoga. Y is for yard. Y is for yummy. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zip. Z is for zigzag.